Quick update on Stepney prop size. I think it's prop sizes. Here's the face, wheels, buffers, splashers, everything we can think of. I added some putty, filler, whatever. So I sanded. Hold on, it's too bright. Sanded off all these areas. It's very smooth to the touch. Now I'm going to go ahead and add some primer. See how it looks when it's 3D printed with layer lines with filament. Big difference compared to resin, but it's good for larger pieces. It's really good. Using this option, and then I'm gonna sand after the sanding this part after the primer filler. 3D printed this handrail. The original file did not include those little tiny tabs, but thanks to credit to the creator and for sharing the file so we can do our own custom models. I mean, print this size. We are almost ready to start the assembly. Actually, I need to sand and prime, do some priming on these things. See those little tiny marks right there? But they look good. Now, still thinking on these wheels, 3.3. I think I'm gonna 3D print those since this will be a display model only. 3.3, 3.4, something like that. It's good for display purposes. Will be nice. The original file of this was kind of crooked. I'm talking about this end. It was pointing that way, but I just twisted it and pointed downwards so we get proper alignment right there. Okay, face, something's off. Yes, lower tooth band, but that's okay. Okay, this part goes here. I need to drill all the holes. So basically I'm about to do the next step, and I'll give you an update next day since I do a lot of works, and it's not only this. That will be nice. Perfect. I think that's a quick update for this model.